this lesson, we're going to learn a new kiwaha, or idiom. Our kiwaha is kua hiki te kohu. It literally translates to has the mist cleared, which means in this context, do you understand? Kua hiki te kohu. There are many different ways to ask someone if they understand. The most common is kua marama or kei te marama, which means is it clear? Marama is the word for light. Speaking of light, a response to this question is kua hinātore, which is a dim light. So if it's not very clear to you, you can respond by saying kua hinātore or kei te hinātore. But if you do understand when someone asks kua hiki te kohu, you can respond by saying ai, kua hiki te kohu. Yes, the mist has cleared. Another way of saying kua hiki te kohu is kua taka te kapa, which literally translates to has the penny dropped. But we don't use pennies anymore and our kids don't know what they are. So we've reverted back to what our ancestors used to use, and that's kua hiki te kohu, has the mist cleared. Kua hiki te kohu. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.